Hello, good morning. The weather is so good today, guys. So let's walk. We'll be having free vitamin D this time. So how's your Saturday today? Greetings from Spain, everyone. You see, it's a wonderful day today, guys. So this is the Pascals Church, or let's say Saint Pascal's Church. I usually take the photo in front, but this time I prefer it to take the other side, back side I should say. See, when spring comes, these trees, they have yellow flowers, but this time there's no flower yet. But if the flower comes out, I will take a video again and pass by here. So you see, that's the tower, the St. Pascals Church. I love the birds singing. That's why I prefer to walk where there are trees, I should say. Because the songs of the birds keeps me calm. Sometimes this is stress out also. Makakagaan ng loob yung mga kanta nila. It reminds me of my childhood in the mountain. So when I hear the birds singing, I love it so much. It's like nostalgia effect, you know. Anyways, so this is the St. Pascal's Church. Actually, that is the patron's church here in our town. Here is the municipal museum. Okay, we will try to move at the other part. I hope cars won't come out. Won't come. Oh my god. Okay, this is the other side. The building is so old. I think if I'm not wrong, this is the monastery also. Okay, I think that is also the monastery. So we are at the right side of the church. Nakakainis lang, may mga bandal sa wall. But anyway, when I came here in Villarreal, the wall is not yet like that. It's not like that. They only renovated, I think, 3 or 4 years ago. Okay, so you see, it's very nice. You see at the back, the building. I think this part is not yet renovated. Perhaps sooner or later they will do it. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, it's very nice. I like it so much. These are the other buildings, old buildings of Villarreal. People still lives here. They still live here, especially the old ones. Okay. The birds are so happy today. You see, wonderful. The weather is so good. Happy Saturday, guys. I hope you'll be having a happy weekends. So I just came home, so I will be going up and have a shower. Masyado nang mainit. Mainit ang araw pero malamig pa rin sa katawan. So see you.